Is Dola AI not working the way it should? Whether it's failing to create events, not syncing your calendar, or simply not responding, don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to troubleshoot Dola AI and get everything working again. Let's begin with the basics. Make sure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Dola AI relies on an active internet connection to communicate with its servers and your connected calendars. If your connection seems slow, try switching networks or restarting your router. Next, check whether the issue is on Dola AI's side. Temporary server maintenance or outages can prevent the service from working correctly. If many users are reporting the same problem, waiting a little while may be all that's needed. If Dola AI isn't creating or updating events, your connected calendar may need attention. Open your linked Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or Outlook calendar settings and confirm the account is still connected. So if necessary, disconnect the calendar and reconnect it. Using an outdated app or browser can sometimes cause unexpected problems. Check for the latest Dola AI update if you're using the mobile app. If you're using the web version, refresh the page or install the latest version of your browser. A quick restart often fixes temporary glitches. Completely close Dola AI, reopen it, and sign in again if prompted. This refreshes your session and can resolve authentication or syncing issues. If Dola AI can't access your calendar or send notifications, verify your permissions. Open your device settings and make sure calendar access, notifications, and any required permissions are enabled for Dola AI. Those are the most common fixes for Dola AI when it isn't working properly. In most cases, checking your connection, reconnecting your calendar, updating the app, and reviewing permissions will solve the problem. If the issue continues, you may need to contact Dola AI support for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.